Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add stops on Google Map. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to add a stop on Google Map, firstly open your Google Map application. On the search box, enter the location you want to reach and make a search. It will display the best route for your destination. Now, to add a stop, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Add Stop. On the Add Stop box, enter the stop. It will show the search results with the best route for your destination. This is how you can add your stop on Google Map application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.